radio cabinet. I took the radio chassis out of it. It is, let's see what the model number is here. Let's see here, 47. Oh, come on, focus. Let's see here. There we go. It's a 47 1227, which means it was made in 1947. There's the tube layout. Here's the speaker. It's a field coil speaker. Here's the Philco chassis. It's got lots of old paper capacitors in this. Somebody did some kind of repair job in the past. There's one new electrolytic and 2 orange drops and a new power cord, but I don't trust those old capacitors at all, so I'm going to replace all of them, and that ought to get the Philco going again. Need to call up, we're actually going to go on the World Wide Web and order from Mauser and get a fuse holder and terminal strips and caps. Mauser I've found is just the best for getting electronic parts.